Savasana. In Sanskrit, Sava means dead body. In this posture, the body resembles like a dead body. That is why it is known as Savasana. This asana is practiced for complete relaxation of body, mind, and consciousness. Savasana is very helpful for meditation and job, etc. This asana looks very simple, but it is one of the most difficult asana to practice. Savasana is the best yogic relaxation posture for all. This asana relaxes the muscles and the blood vessels. In our daily routine, relaxation of the body and mind is necessary for commotion and materialism. Through Savasana, one can find true relaxation and experiences rest and peace. This asana should be practiced at intervals of yoga posture and at the end of yoga session for better relaxation. The procedure of Savasana. Lie down flat on your back on the mat. Keep your legs straight. Keep your feet about 12 inches apart. Keep your heels inside and toes outside. And try to relax your legs. Keep your palms facing upward and slightly away from the body. Keep your fist slightly closed and try to relax your hands. Gently close your eyes. Breathe normally, rhythmically. Relax your body. Relax your mind. Try to relax your all part of the body. Relax your body from toes to head. Consciously and gradually relax your every muscles and each part of the body. Focus your mind on your breath. Inhale and exhale slowly and deeply. Feel that you are taking breath. Relax the brain during exhalation. Try to be aware of your internal happenings. Try to withdraw your attention from external surroundings. Just imagine tiredness getting removed from every part of the body. Try not to sleep. Breathe normally and just concentrate on the flow of your breath. In this way, hold this position for 15 to 20 minutes. Keep in mind that in the final position of Savasana, you must feel happy and relaxed. The regular practice of Savasana reduces stress, removes fatigue, and it is relaxing to the body and mind. This asana helps to cure the diseases such as high blood pressure, heart disease, insomnia, etc. This asana gives relief to those who suffer from mental stress, depression, and anxiety. Savasana provides a sense of well-being. While you feel that you are completely relaxed after practice of Savasana, then slowly move your toes, move your fingers, interlock your fingers and raise your arms up and stretch your legs. Feel that you are happy and no stress on your body. Slowly fold your legs towards the chest and hold with your hands. Slowly extend your legs. After that, turn your body to your right side and sit. Rub your palms and place on your eyes.